How to unpin a chat on WhatsApp on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you've logged into your account and simply hold on to the chat you want to unpin. After you do that, simply click on pin like option at the top with a cross sign. Simply click on the pin like option with the cross sign at the top and it will unpin your chat. After you unpin the chat, if you get a new text, it will be going down. And this is how to unpin a chat on WhatsApp on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.